Okay, this is a 1999 Ford Ranger XLT, 3-liter flex fuel, California emissions, 4-wheel drive. I'll give you the stock number in a sec. It's 243,841 for miles. Check engine light is on, but these are the reasons right here. Idle's a little rough, miss on number 4. Motor was allegedly rebuilt around 176,000, though completely gone through. Transmission seems like it shifts all right. Just checking out the 4-wheel drive right now. Yep, 4-wheel drive seems like it works okay. Let's see, the stock number on this thing, I don't think the e-brake works, so I'll have to check that in a second, but 732L. That is going to be the stock number. I'll show you the pic of the engine in a second here. I just want to make sure. Well, first of all, I'll show you that this thing does go. I did road test this. The frame's broken, so I don't really want to road test it again. My video cut out, but that's forwards. This is reverse. I'm just going to back it up to the fence line here. All right. I'm going to shut this thing off just because the e-brake doesn't work, so I want to be able to hold it. Sorry, I wasn't able to take and get you a picture of this thing while it's running. Just there's no way to hold this thing unless I put a block under it or something. But that's the motor. Like I said, 3-liter, Cali emissions, all that stuff. So I think a couple of sensors, and I think this thing will be good motor-wise. And the transmission seems like it's fine. T-case is fine. Just frame rotted out, so good drivetrain, I would say.